Number 1.
1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,500. This truck has been carefully maintained and kept in mostly stock condition, showcasing the reliability and strength that GMC is known for. Powered by a 350 Vortec 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers dependable performance even after 190,000 miles on the road. Despite its age, the truck runs excellently and remains in impressive overall condition, showing only the expected signs of normal wear and tear. Finished in a clean white exterior complemented by a gray interior, the Sierra 1500 offers both utility and comfort. Inside, it features bucket seats with a center console, providing a more comfortable and organized cabin layout. Convenience is enhanced by power windows and door locks, while cold air conditioning ensures a pleasant driving experience year-round.
Number 2.
1986 GMC Sierra 2500, price $6,900, showing 133,000 original miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, powered by a dependable V8 305 engine that performs beautifully with no leaks, no smoke, and smooth acceleration. The exterior is finished in its original brown paint, which has never been redone or touched up, maintaining its factory finish in exceptional condition. The tan interior complements the classic brown exterior, creating a timeless and warm color combination. Inside, the cabin is clean and well kept, reflecting the care and attention it has received over the years. One of the standout details is the truck bed, which still retains its factory sealer, a rare find that highlights the truck's originality and the fact that it has never undergone restoration work. The vehicle also features air conditioning, a comfort not often found in trucks of its era, adding to its everyday usability.
Number 3.
1983 Dodge D150, price $10,000. Dependable full-size pickup that perfectly blends vintage charm with everyday practicality.
With 111,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission, this truck continues to perform reliably on the road.
Finished in a classic beige exterior with a matching beige interior, it carries the timeless appeal of early 1980s American trucks. Equipped with an 8-foot-long bed, the D150 is built to handle both heavy-duty work and everyday hauling needs. Powered by a gasoline engine, it starts up effortlessly, drives smoothly, and remains in excellent running condition. Currently serving as a daily driver, this model stands out for its durability, comfortable ride, and authentic Dodge craftsmanship.
Number 4.
1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,500. It has 159,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a green exterior paired with a tan interior and runs on gasoline. Powered by a throttle body 5.7L V8 engine, the truck is noted to be 99% rust-free and carries a rebuilt title. The Sierra starts, runs, and drives exceptionally well, though it will likely need new tires soon. Recently, it has undergone extensive maintenance and upgrades. In the past few weeks, the water pump was replaced, and the entire air conditioning system was renewed, ensuring the AC works perfectly. Additional new components include the heater core, radiator, thermostat, both temperature sensors, alternator, and battery. It also has a fresh oil change with fewer than 250 miles since service, along with new spark plugs and wires.
Number 5.
1995 Ford F150, price $6,000, features an automatic transmission with a 5.0L V8 engine and two-wheel drive. It runs on gasoline and sports a red exterior with a gray interior. The truck is currently not running, as the engine experienced a mechanical failure. The harmonic balancer came loose, resulting in cracks on the front face of the lower engine block. The extent of the damage has not yet been fully assessed, as the engine has not been disassembled. This vehicle has been garage kept since new, originally purchased by the current owner's father and later passed down to the present owner. Both the paint and interior remain original, reflecting its well-preserved condition over the past 30 years. Despite the engine issue, the truck's body, interior, and overall structure remain in remarkably good shape. It comes with a clean title and has never been involved in an accident.
Number 6.
1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,500. It has around 183,000 miles on it and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a tan exterior paired with a beige interior, this truck runs on gasoline and presents itself in remarkably clean condition for its age. It shows very minimal rust, and the bed remains in excellent shape, indicating careful use and maintenance throughout the years. Recent upgrades include a new battery, new brakes and lines, and a new starter, ensuring it's ready for reliable daily driving. The frame is in great condition, free from major corrosion or damage, reflecting the vehicle's solid structure. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong and dependable 5.0L V8 engine, known for its smooth performance and durability.
Number 7.
1984 GMC 1500, price $5,500. The truck has approximately 100,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission. This classic pickup comes in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, powered by a 305 engine paired with a 350 turbo transmission. It has received several recent upgrades, including new tires, front brakes, exhaust system, radiator hoses, alternator, battery, water pump, power steering pump, carburetor, valve covers, and fuel pump. While there is some minor rust, it is nothing significant and does not affect the truck's performance. Overall, this 1984 GMC 1500 runs and drives exceptionally well, offering a reliable and smooth ride for its age, a true testament to its solid build and recent mechanical updates.
Number 8.
1987 Ford F150, price $2,000, features an automatic transmission, a white exterior, and a red interior, powered by a gasoline engine. The truck has been well maintained and was garage kept for most of its life, except for the past 5 years. It was running smoothly until it broke down about 3 years ago and has remained inactive since then. The original problem was a lack of spark, which was resolved with the installation of a refurbished Motorcraft distributor, along with a new ignition module and starter relay. Later on, additional issues surfaced. After replacing the fuel pump, a fuel tank leak was discovered, and the transmission began to slip. Despite these mechanical challenges, the truck retains much of its original charm and solid structure.
Number 9.
1967 Ford F100, price $8,900. This truck features a manual transmission and boasts a beautiful blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, giving it a timeless and cohesive look. The truck retains its original 352 engine, which has been removed and is currently sitting in the bed, awaiting a rebuild for those who appreciate authenticity and originality. It's fitted with a T18 4-speed floor-mounted transmission, known for its durability and classic feel, offering an engaging driving experience true to its era. Despite its age, this F100 remains in impressive condition with very little rust, making it an excellent foundation for restoration or a collector's project.
Number 10.
1979 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, comes equipped with an automatic transmission and a striking blue exterior finish. Under the hood, it features a 350 engine upgraded with an Edelbrock aluminum intake and an Edelbrock 600 carburetor with an electric choke, providing both improved performance and reliability. This truck is fitted with a 4-speed manual transmission with a granny low gear, offering excellent control and power when needed. The 4-wheel drive system includes manual aftermarket lockouts, ensuring dependable off-road capability. Additional highlights include new brakes and recently replaced U-joints, dual fuel tanks for extended range, and stylish wheels and tires that complement its rugged appearance. The vehicle comes with a clean and clear title, reflecting its well-maintained condition and ready-to-drive status.